Hello, today we are diving deep into HeyGen, an innovative AI video creation platform that is revolutionizing how we produce video content. HeyGen empowers users to generate high quality videos using advanced AI avatars and voices, transforming text or scripts into engaging visual stories. This platform is designed for a diverse audience, including businesses, educators, and content creators, offering a comprehensive suite of tools. Key features include AI powered video creation, customizable avatars, and robust text to speech conversion capabilities. HeyGen also boasts voice cloning, video translation, and extensive editing tools, supporting over 175 languages for global communication. One of its standout features is AI avatar generation, allowing users to create realistic digital personas from photos, text prompts, or a library of over 500 characters. These avatars can be fully customized in terms of appearance, voice, expressions, and movements, enabling users to create a digital twin or a unique brand character. The platform excels in text to video conversion, where you simply input a script, choose an avatar, and generate a complete video. HeyGen also provides templates to arrange elements like text, images, and music, streamlining the video creation process. Voice cloning and text to speech are integral, offering lifelike copies of human voices and supporting over 175 languages for avatar narration. The audio quality is remarkably clear, ensuring professional grade voiceovers for all your projects. Video translation is another powerful feature, translating videos into over 40 languages and automatically adjusting lip movements for seamless integration. HeyGen also grants access to a vast library of stock media, including copyright free videos in HD and 4K, enhancing your visual storytelling. The platform offers diverse template options, allowing users to either select pre designed layouts or customize their own for unique branding. Interactive avatars are also a possibility, enabling the creation of lifelike digital characters that can engage in real time conversations. Furthermore, HeyGen can even generate video scripts with AI, providing a complete solution from concept to final production. Creating a video with HeyGen is a straightforward process, starting with choosing a template or a blank canvas. Next, you add your script and select an appropriate AI avatar to bring your words to life. Then you customize the video by incorporating various design elements such as backgrounds, text overlays, and animations. After customization, you submit the video for AI processing, and once completed, you can download it with captions or translate it. HeyGen offers flexible pricing plans, including a free plan with limited features and paid plans like Creator and Team for more advanced capabilities. The Creator plan is $29 per month, while the Team plan is $39 per user per month, offering collaborative workspaces. For larger organizations, an Enterprise plan is available with custom pricing tailored to specific needs. HeyGen's pros include a user-friendly interface, realistic AI avatars, multilingual support, and significant time and cost savings. It also delivers high-quality video output, making it a powerful tool for various applications. However, some cons include potentially higher costs for casual users, limited customization in the free version, and occasional robotic visuals. Users have also reported potential customer support issues and slower processing times at times. Several alternatives to HeyGen exist, such as Synthesia, Colossian, Eli.io, DID, Veed, and Creatify AI, each offering similar features. HeyGen prioritizes ethical considerations, including data security and responsible avatar creation, ensuring users retain ownership of their AI-generated content. This commitment to ethical practices builds trust and ensures a secure environment for all creators. This video was made using HeyGen. Please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Remember, work smarter, live better.